Why Trina Bell's Sleep Meditation for Dogs PDF got 13 million people attention. Yes, friends. Hey, this is TKD. I am an ardent dog lover and CEO of KaligaStore.com, as well as the creator of this website. Now, friends, are you concerned about to create a truly safe environment in which your pets can flourish, or you're concerned about you and your pets' relationship bonding to grow, or your pet is not aligned with the daily routine, and or maybe you want to harmonize and attune the energy and build a bridge of communication with your pets, or maybe does your newly adopted pet begin to feel and act from a place of insecurity and fear? So, what if I told you can solve above problems in 3 easy steps? Yes, this is exactly the method employed by my colleague Trina Bell. Later on, which she developed a sleep meditation for dogs PDF, which actually helped a lot of people in her Auburn, California neighborhood. For example, the first step is when you lessen the stress response of the body, its natural healing capabilities are able to go to work. This is especially important for older, ailing, or otherwise compromised animals. In fact, a rejuvenated body and mind, along with other benefits you experience as a result of meditation, is sometimes that may end up being one of your pet's favorite benefits of being with you. Although they probably wouldn't turn down a tennis ball if offered. Well, to know more about sleep meditation for dogs, fill out the questionnaire on my website kalikesto.com and don't forget to subscribe to my channel TKD Health Tips. Thank you.